take a look at this absolutely beautiful couch that I got for my living room. I love it. It comes with an ottoman. You can get different sets so that you can have multiple ottomans, but I really like the height it has against the ground. And what I love is that each and every piece is a storage unit. So you just lift it up by the flap and you can see that it does have a nice good depth to it. So you can fit blankets or pillows, any kind of storage that you have in there. And what is so amazing, it is not just the ottoman that has the storage. Each seat can be lifted up so that you can store different things inside. The material is incredibly soft and comfortable. You can see that I have the armrest up and down, but with some pushing, you can actually change the armrest position, which I thought was a really unique feature to this couch. So it really can be designed to what works for you and your family and your end tables and how you have it in the room. So we kind of go back and forth which one we like. It is such a great couch to have with your family and your little ones. It is so comfortable, and I really do love that the ottoman can be pushed in to extend the seat further, or it could be a traditional ottoman that's kind of like a coffee table. The material is really, really soft all over, which I love, and it's just a really comfortable couch overall. It has more of a firm cushion to it, and I just love that it was so easy to put together right out of the box, and the pieces kind of just clip to each other. It does come with 2 cushions for your back for each seat, which is amazing. And then the couch itself also has a little bit of cushion to it. So it really is adjustable if you want 1 or 2 pillows, just based off of your preferences. Overall, I really loved how this couch fit the space, and the overall quality of it was great, as well as those customization features so that you can really make this your own. The quality is really great. I would definitely recommend checking this out.